Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to my channel WA Reviews. Today I bring for you good household product, hot air gun. So today we are going to review hot air gun and see what specification of this device and what is price. Maybe you will shock to hear this device price. This one hot air gun you can use for multi-purpose. Inside this packing also they provide manual which is in Chinese and English as well, both language. This manual no need this manual. I will tell you step by step. So as you can see, hot air gun 220 voltage rating for input voltage, 50 Hz, 300 watt here written, but I already test this gun. This one maximum maybe 200 watt. This is on off button for this device, and here they use heat sink for cooling. This is the nozzle of this device, and this is stand for you can keep anywhere in this position. EU type plug with this device with 1 meter cable length. When you are handling this device, be careful with nozzle side because it will coming very hot when you are using this device. First I told you specification of this device. After we will go power on this device and test what we can do and perform with this hot air gun, heat gun. And as I told you, this is very cheaper. So this one in just $10. You cannot believe this one just $10 and you can use for multi-purpose this device in just $10. I will give you this device link in description for AliExpress and Amazon as well, so you can buy from that link. So guys, if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, share with your friend. Maybe someone need this device so he can watch my video and after he can easily buy this device. I will make review and unboxing videos on daily basis, so keep updated. As I told you, this one hot air gun, you can use this one for any shrinkable sheets, plastics, removing some stickers. This material plastic, and inside nozzle they are using steel nozzle and plastic. Working temperature 200 degree, rated power 300 watt, and voltage rating 220 50 Hz with EU plug. For example, if your mobile going in water, so you can use this device for dry your mobile. You can apply enough heat from this device so you can protect your mobile before it will become damaged. So that's why this device always keep with you in your home in case any your electronic device anything getting water, so you can dry from this device. And also you can perform any heat sink or sticker removing from this device. So let's power on this device and we will check how it's work. Be careful, this device power is 220 and this on off switch, you no need to touch on nozzle when you are going to power on. So I am going to on this button, so you can hear air blowing. Inside a small motor and one heater element for heating this one. So anything if getting water, you can easily dry your any devices before getting damaged. So I use this heat shrink. I will apply heat. You can see this one becoming shrink. Now you see this side hole. After I apply heat, you can see now almost close. This one already shrink. Like this I am apply heat on this. Be careful, it's very hot, high temperature 200 degrees Celsius. You can see this start melting. Heat shrink start melting. You can see this heat shrink also. I apply heat on this one device. You no need to you can keep like this and just hold this device. So you can see heat shrink going to shrink. Within some second it's coming very thin. So be careful after you power off this device. Keep in some places for cool it down because this area very hot. So guys, like this you can use this device for multi-purpose and drying any water. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, so before going, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video and share with your friend and keep supporting.